up guys, in this video we'll be talking about how to market your NFTs in the marketplace. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out different articles, and all of the links to that will be in the description of the video, starting off with what is NFT. If you're very new with crypto guys, NFT means non-fungible tokens, which are generally created with the same type of program. It actually can be JPEG, it can be GIF or GIFs, GIFs, alright? Or right now there are also available like music NFTs already. So those are different stuff, but those are unique. And NFTs, when you purchase them, you have full control on what you would like to do with those NFTs. Alright, so this is a very helpful article that you could use guys, the ultimate NFT marketing guide. Alright, there are a lot of different things that you will learn in terms of how you could definitely, get your visibility out there, get the visibility of the NFTs that you would like to sell in the market. But I'm not going to be reading through the entire thing. I would just like to focus on the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. So what are the marketing services for NFTs? So marketing NFT service is similar to marketing any product basically. If you have like, let's say for example, you're selling your house or you're selling your cell phone, whatever items you would like to sell. Of course, you would like to post that, or you would need to post that in different marketplaces. It will be in like Amazon or eBay or Facebook Marketplace. You can go ahead and do those. Same goes with the NFTs, right? So you need to check out the different marketplaces where you could post your NFTs. That way the buyers would be able to see that. Now, marketing of a project sounds easy. So you would just need to create attractive banners and relevant content and start sharing everywhere, right? However, it's not just that, guys. It will not work because of some limitations proposed by social media platforms or even search engines. So there are still various ways to promote a project online, and there are innovative NFT marketing strategies that can assist you with your business. So for example is the SEO or search engine optimization. So if you're entirely new on what those are, I would strongly recommend that you read through what that means. And if you're not that type of techie person, then maybe the help of somebody that knows what they're doing would be a good alternative, right? So for the best marketing done online, you would need to know the right keywords for the search engine optimization. Like what are the words that are heavily used when they search online, like in Google or in Facebook or in YouTube or wherever, right? So that is search engine optimization. So next one would be selecting the famous or the well-known NFT marketplaces. So NFT platforms are referred to as certain marketplaces where the selling and buying of virtual assets take place. And guys, you could read through the entire article. There are a lot of different things that I am sure that will definitely be helping you out in terms of marketing your NFT. So NFT marketing channels will also engage all of the prospects in this marketplace. So you could enroll your NFTs on several platforms, and in order to emerge the profitability of trading them to a huge price, right? So there are several NFT platforms like Rarible, you have OpenSea, you have Engine, you have Atomic Hub. So Atomic Hub is in Wax. So just an FYI. You also have what they call guest posting. So that is one other best strategy for NFT marketing. You could utilize the tactics while reaching to your dedicated websites that you are looking for guest contributions. So you need to find the approach that you would like in terms of email, you have Telegram or what other social media platforms that you could spread awareness that you are selling your NFT, right? Another way or another channel that you could advertise or market your NFTs is through blogging, right? So blogging is also another tactic to reach prospective buyers at various stages throughout the buying journey, right? And then next one would be, of course, social media promotion. And when we talk about social media promotion, guys, there is a lot of different ways that you could promote, be it in YouTube, YouTube, you have TikTok, you have Twitter, you have Facebook, Telegram, and a lot more that you could choose from. So social media marketing allows you to build a crypto community. The community will spread the buzz for your project, and owners of the projects can go with multiple channels of marketing with their virtual artwork. Another channel that you could also consider is Reddit. So you have Reddit, you have Twitter, YouTube, the ones that I mentioned earlier. Could also be in LinkedIn, and those are considered to be the best in terms of the NFT marketing. And you could go ahead and check them out once you are available. All right, so those are the things that you need to check in terms of doing your NFT marketing. Also check this one out, guys. Champions Ascensions. Welcome, champion. Are you strong enough to survive? So this is basically a play to earn type of game. And let me go ahead and click this one for you. Nice. See that? Nice graphics. Nice. Ooh. So go ahead and check this Champions Ascension, guys. Champions.io is the website. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Do your own research. Check them out. This could probably be something that could be side bet or side hustle for you to earn additional income. All right. So if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and clicking that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.